Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SQL Deep Learning Station. We will see in this video from where SQL came or history of SQL. In 1970, Dr. Edgar, a researcher at IBM, he published a groundbreaking paper, a relational model of data for large shared data banks. This introduced a relational database model. SQL was initially developed at IBM by Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce after learning about relational data model that was given by Edgar F. Code in the early 1970s. This version initially called SQL, Structured English Query Language. Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce's first attempt at relational database language was Square, specifying queries in a relational environment. But it was difficult due to subscript or superscript notation. SQL was called SQL because it was inspired by another query language called Quail used in the Ingress database. However, SQL was already a trademark owned by a UK company called Hawker Siddeley Dynamics. To avoid the legal issues, IBM removed the vowels from SQL. It changed as SQL to SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. After testing SQL with some customers to check if it was useful and practical, IBM started creating commercial products based on their system or prototype. These included System 38 released in 1979, SQL DS released in 1981, IBM DB2 released in 1983. By 1986, SQL was officially recognized as a standard database language by ANSI and ISO. Since then, new versions of SQL Standard have been released in 1989, 1992, 1996, 1999, and so on. That's all for today's video on background of SQL. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you like the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SQL lessons.